children. So our next one is mode. So first look at the mode formula. So write the mode formula for group data and explain the terms in it. So for group data, mode formula. For ungrouped data, mode means you can take the most repeated value in the observations. Now ungrouped data. So the formula of mode is equals to Z is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So here don't confuse about that F1, F0 and F2. So first F1 minus F0 in the numerator by here 2F1 you will get. That's why F2 also will add to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L means, so as I said, in the median lower limit. There in median lower limit of the median class. Here lower boundary. So nothing but lower limit of the model class. Next H is the length of the class interval. So this is same for difference for upper and lower limits. So F1 is the frequency of the model class. So here in the problems which is having the highest frequency, that we will consider the F1, that preceding means before value frequency of the model class preceding model frequency of the class preceding the model class will consider F0, and F1 next value will consider F2, which is frequency of the class succeeding the model class. So just remember these words. So I will explain a problem, then you will understood here. So now if you observe the here you can see find the mode of the following data. So here they given the class intervals 50 to 52, 53 to 55, 56 to 58. If you observe the class intervals, these are inclusive, means not in continuation. So 50 to 52, next started with 53 to 55, next 56, not the continuous class intervals. So once observe the frequencies 15, 110, 135, 159, 25. So to find out the mode, here you no need any extra columns, just write the class interval and frequency in the vertical form. So just write the class intervals first, 50 to 52, 15, 53 to 55, 110, just to make a table. Now in these frequencies which is having the highest frequency, that is F1, okay, and that frequency, that corresponding class interval is the model class. In that lower limit is called the 56. So if you observed means 135 is having the highest frequency. That corresponding class interval means 56 to 58 class interval I am saying. In that lower bound means 56 is the L value. So as I said in the formula, F0 is the preceding class of the F1, and next F2 is the succeeding class of the F1. Preceding means previous class, succeeding means next class. So F1 ki mundu undedi F0, F1 ki tarvata undedi F2. So this is very easy to find out. Highest frequency in the frequencies, you can say that F1, before value F0, next value is F2. So now all values you have. Now you have to look at about the H. In all the previous problems what we discussed in the previous videos, those all class intervals are continuous class intervals. That's why we took the difference between those two class intervals, but here not the continuous class intervals. No? So now how can we take that H value means like this you have to consider. Suppose 55, 56, no? Average of these two class intervals, 55 plus 56 by 2. Average of 55 and 56 means, what do you mean that? So you will get 111 by 2 means nothing but 55.5. okay, next this is only the main thing you have to remember. Suppose the class interval having the continuous classes means, just like the previous, you can take the difference of the upper and lower limits of the class intervals, but here not the continuous class intervals, no? So then you have to take like this, average of the 55 and 56, you will get 111 by 2, 55.5. Next more apply. Now we have every value which we are going to use in the formula, L value, F0, F1, F2 and H values. So mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F2 minus F0 into H. L value, lower limit value, we got 56 here. So 56 plus f1 value 135 minus f0 110 by 2 into f1, multiply f1 with 2. So 2 into 135 gives 270 minus f2 is 150 minus f0 is 110 into h value is 55.5. So 56 plus 135 minus 110 gives 25 by, so 270 minus 225. So add these both and you have to subtract from 270. 45. 5 5s 5 9s 45. So into 555.5. So if you have to multiply and if you solve, you will get 30.8. So which gives 86.8. So the mode is 86.8. So that's easy to find out the mode. So while you are finding the mode, here you have to remember only this point. So highest frequency you can say f1, the preceding value is f0, next succeeding value is f2. So highest frequency corresponding class interval is the model class. So in that model class, L value means lower limit, you can say lower L value, lower limit you can say L value. So H value here we consider average. Why means these are not the continuous classes, means are not exclusive classes. So if those are exclusive classes like other problems, means you can consider difference of the upper and lower limits. Okay children, only one problem is there. So totally in last 2 videos and now we covered both mean, median and mode formulas and the terms explanation and the problems based on those two. So in mode we have only one type of this problem. So remaining problems also you can do same method. Okay children. So in next videos you can see the 4 marks remaining problems and 2 marks and 1 mark questions also. Thank you children.